the most important art form for me for personal expression that there is. That moment when you're starting out, you're making that first mark or the hatch or putting your brush on the paper for the first time, there's a kind of excitement to that there's nothing else like it in the world. So really there's no wrong way to start a drawing. And you begin a kind of journey with that first mark. I've been drawing, block printing, and working with pattern for 20 years. Block printing is what I love to do because it complements my drawing style. The way the block is inked up, the kind of pressure used to transfer the surface of the block to the paper, that's what I'm excited about. It's thrilling when you print a block for the first time and see what kind of surprises are there. There's an interaction between my original line and how it prints in the end. That's what I'm after. The way that I print off the press is a direct and immediate translation of the pattern from drawing to print. When I started thinking about using my printing method to manufacture wallpaper, I knew we could really have a lot of room to play with texture like no one else was able to achieve using machine methods. Making wallpaper requires that each image is printed and repeat one after the other, in our case, in a continuous panel. Hand printing introduces a slight variation from print to print. This variation produces a richness of layered texture that really makes the final product unique. Our paints are all water-based, and I chose them because I wanted an eco-friendly environment to work with. Our wallpaper adds to the interior through color and texture. It is timeless in its design, and it's also durable, no matter if it's being installed in a boutique hotel setting or a private residence. Our goal is to achieve something of the designer's specification. The designers call papermills all the time to work on custom projects, whether it be coloring one of our existing patterns in their palette or creating a new design from scratch. I started papermills to be able to collaborate with designers and share this creative process.